Hey guys, tired of the expired Hostinger coupon code? In this video, I'll show you how to apply the Hostinger coupon code 2026 step by step. You will get discount up to 90% on all types of hosting. Let's watch demo. First, click the Hostinger coupon code link in description. This opens the official Hostinger website. Now you have to choose the hosting type you need. Web hosting, cloud hosting, agency hosting, VPS hosting. For this demo, I am choosing the popular web hosting. Now scroll down. You will see different plans. Single web hosting, premium web hosting, business web hosting, cloud startup. If you're a beginner, I recommend premium plan. Why? Because free domain for 1 year, free email marketing for 1 year, free SSL, create up to 3 websites allowed. Now click Choose Plan button. Step 2, choose duration. This is very important. Here you have to choose the billing period like 1, 12, 24, and 48 months. If you want maximum discount, then go for 24 months or 48 months. If you choose 1 month, coupon may not work, so choose a long-term plan for the highest discount. See, here is the comparison table for you to decide faster. Now scroll down. You'll see, have a coupon code? Click on it. Now enter the coupon code of AINA10. Click Apply. Boom, you can see the discount applied instantly. Now, click Continue. Here, you have to enter the email ID and password to log in, then complete the payment. Once done, you will receive confirmation mail. Order confirmation account details, cPanel access. That's it. You have claimed your hosting, and here is the original price of Hostinger, and this is the discount price. So don't forget to apply the coupon code and claim the discount. So that's how you apply Hostinger coupon code 2026 correctly. If this video helped you, like the video, comment if the code worked for you, link and code in description and pinned comment. Don't forget to use the code. See you in the next video.